Hello everybody, this is Hong Long from Hong Long Wuxia, and welcome back to Tai Chi for Noobs. Today we're going to go over the 19th posture, which is Fair Maiden works the shuttles. Alright, last time we ended with Golden Rooster stands on one leg. From there we're going to turn to the right into a cat stance and holding ball. We're going to step out to the left. Our left hand is going to turn like so as our right hand presses underneath. From there, we're going to get into cat stance on the other side. Fair Maiden works the shuttle on the right hand side. All right, from Golden Rooster, stands on one leg. From here, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time. All right, everybody, I'm Hong Long. Thanks for watching. That was the 19th posture, Fair Maiden works the shuttles. It is the first posture in the last section. Next time we're going to go over two postures. We're going to go over pluck the needle from the sea, as well as hands wave down like lightning. Until then, as always, if you like the video, hit the like button down below. If you haven't already, subscribe to the right. And until next time, keep practicing.